I absolutely love this pen. I received this pen in exchange for this video, but all of these thoughts are my own. I've shown this pen to both my wife and my daughter, and they saw absolutely nothing wrong with it, nothing that looks any different than any other standard pen. But if you look really, really close, you can see the lens for a spy camera embedded in this pen. And if you want to conceal that even more, if you're not wanting to even use it as a camera at the time, you can always slide this up, and then it is completely hidden and looks like any other pen. Isn't this just the coolest little spy camera? Of course, you've heard about spy pens before, but honestly, this one looks so much better because that lens is so tiny. And if you're not looking for it, you don't even see it. Plus, it does write as well. So you're going to twist this part here, and then the pen comes down just like that. And then you can write. And it writes just like any other pen. The ink is perfectly fine to read. It's legible. It's clear. It works. So if you want a pen, a spy pen that is completely undetectable, I would check this one out. So the way that you're going to operate the actual camera part is that there's a button here on top. You're going to hold that button for 3 seconds, and then there's a light on the back side. So not the front side, but the back side. And when you hold that button for 3 seconds, that light will turn blue, and it'll blink 3 times. That way you know that it's recording a video. So as soon as you turn it on, it starts recording a video. To turn it off, you're going to hold that button for 3 seconds again. And the light flashes red 3 times really, really fast. Really easy to operate, works great. So the way you're going to get those videos off after you do that is to unscrew the pen. It comes in 2 halves like this, and simply take out the SD card. You can pop that into an SD card reader, and you should be able to watch your videos. I will say one thing about that. The videos are AVI file type, and for some reason my computer did not like those the best. So I simply converted those to an MP4 online, and then the files just work perfectly great. You're going to charge up the pen using a USB. It's micro USB. It comes in the box. I would have preferred to have USB-C because everything else uses USB-C nowadays, but that works perfectly fine too. And then also, you can even exchange the ink in there in case your ink runs dry. It comes with a ton of other ink. To do that, you would just use the provided screwdriver they give you. Unscrew that screw in there. Pop out that ink cartridge, which looks like this. And they give you a ton of other ones. So you can just pop a new one in, and then you're ready to write again. Of course, you pop it in, screw it in, put it all back together. Very, very cool. Now, as far as the quality of the video that you get from this thing, I would say it's definitely much higher quality than I thought it would be. Is it going to give you cinematic, iPhone 16 Pro quality? Of course not. It's a tiny, tiny lens. That's not really what it's for. It's for usable video that you want in a spy situation. Of course, use this in accordance with the laws of your state. You don't want to get into any legal trouble whatsoever. But I was really, really satisfied with the video quality and even the audio quality. A lot of these things don't have good audio quality. This one was definitely hearable. The video is definitely usable. So this is what it kind of looks like and sounds like indoors. This isn't the most brightly lit room, but of course indoors is not going to have as good a quality as outdoors. So I'm really, really stinking impressed with this video quality. Going to take it outdoors also. So this is what that kind of looks like when going outside, and also when the pen is moving a little bit. So this is the quality that you can expect from outdoors. Yeah, I just can't say enough good about this pen. It's really, really cool. I really, really like it. I recommend it.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.